gagawin natin para at least masiguro natin kung magkakaroon man tayo ng mga arrests like what have mentioned by our representative ni ating regional director, maging tama. Kasi kung mapansin niyo, baka meron tayong mga dapat na rules na i-follow, technicalities, and ano ba talaga yung mga evidence that we need to secure. Kasi sabi nga nila, pagka-violation ng mga elections, so dapat nandun din yung ating COMELEC. So with that, we have to harmonize it para at least once we effect an arrest, magagawa namin. Just like what we did when we had an arrest before na we filed the case against a personnel from the armed forces. So talagang we need to ask COMELEC, ano ba itong mga gagawin namin kasi ito may mga violations. So they guided us and even we coordinated it with the regional state prosecutors. Kasi nga, dapat pagka nag-arrest tayo, sasampa ang kaso. Hindi po pwede yung mag-arrest tayo ng walang basis and eventually it will be dismissed. So with that, with your question, we have to harmonize and to get the details. How can we effect this arrest? As have been mentioned, pati nga yung sinasabing task force pa-class.
Yeah.
So we will be getting the exact details para makapag-organize kami. And we want, kasama ang COMELEC, syempre sa kanila itong election process na ito. Lahat ng do's and don'ts, they are the ones who gave us the directive, the guidance. So they have to be around and tell us which are those violations and coordinate it with our prosecutors and make sure na sasampay yung kaso. Ganoon naman yung gagawin natin after itong activity na ito. Nalaman natin na naging partisan, kaya nga may guidance ang ating national headquarters na all those na personnel natin na may mga kamag-anak, they will be transferred. And we have already transferred them. At pag nakita pa namin na other PNP personnel namin na nagiging partisan or joining in these mga campaigns, they will be charged as well for violation of the instruction of the Chief PNP and itong policy na non-partisan dapat ang PNP. Kasi nga, gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, ang trabaho ng pulis, AFP, lahat ay siguraduhin bigyan ng protection ng bawat kandidato natin regardless of their political affiliation. Hindi po tayo pwedeng maging partisan.